Alright guys, I did take out the downpipe here, the original. That thing is massive. It's very heavy. I think that thing gotta be at least 30 or 40 pounds. So compared to the aftermarket, it's just way different. This one is much lighter. I think it's about 10 pounds, 5 to 10 pounds. So as you can see, a big difference there. This thing is pretty much the same. All the bolts seem to align pretty well here. So I'm just gonna test fit, just make sure it is fit properly here, and we'll take it from here. So I'll show you guys. All right, let's see if we can get that. Okay. There we go, right there. Yep. So that seems to fit perfectly there. So let me show you a little better close up here. Yep. So everything seems to line up. The O2 sensor, it is kind of angled up right a little bit. It was just kind of tilt sideways, so that's fine. We can access it more easily. So that's go all the way down. You can see, follow the pipe there. It should align with the Flexpipe or the B pipe. I have not actually done that alignment, but let me see if I can get the light to shine so you can see a much better angle. So yeah, got the B pipe down there. Pretty much just need to line this up and get that connected. See if we can reach it here. Okay, so right there. Alright, so we got the bolt lining up there. Just gonna put the phone down there so I can actually use two hands. See if I can get a spot to. Alright, so do it right there for now. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna jack up the car. It's actually much better. But let me see if I can't get one of the bolts to kind of hold on to this. guy. Secure first. Okay. Alright, probably have to get the car a little bit higher so I can get that mounted. So it is lining up, but you just need to push the flex pipe or the B pipe back a little bit so it's even out, and then get that mounted or connected to the down pipe there. I think that's all I can. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here, so we'll go ahead and do another video once I got that connected here. But for now, yeah, so we're just gonna get that connected. This all lined up now, all the way to the back there of the exhaust muffler. Yep. And that's all the way to the top.